In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an email in ActiveCampaign. This is a simple but really powerful way to save time, keep your branding consistent, and quickly spin up new campaigns based on ones that are already working well. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options. Find and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Once you're on the campaigns page, take a moment to locate the specific email you want to copy. You can scroll through the list, or, if you have a lot of campaigns, use any search or filter options available to narrow things down. For example, you might search by campaign name or filter by status if you know it was recently sent or is still in draft mode. The key here is to identify the exact campaign whose content and settings you'd like to reuse. After you've found the right campaign in the list, look over to the right side of that campaign's row. You should see a small down arrow, also called a caret or drop-down arrow. This icon usually indicates that there are more actions or options available for that specific campaign. Move your cursor over that arrow and click it to open the drop-down menu. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a few different actions you can take with that campaign. What you're looking for is the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. ActiveCampaign will create a copy of that campaign for you. Once the duplication is complete, you'll see a new campaign in your list with the same name, usually with something added to indicate it's a copy. From here, you can open the duplicated campaign and make any changes you need. This might include updating the subject line, tweaking the email content, changing your list or segment, or adjusting the schedule. The great thing is that your layout, images, and overall structure are already in place, so you're not starting from scratch. And that's all there is to it. By using the duplicate feature inside the campaign section, you can quickly build consistent, professional emails in ActiveCampaign without recreating every detail each time.